Once upon a time, in a grand kingdom ruled by a wise and compassionate king, there lived a young prince named Ethan. Ethan was known for his adventurous spirit and his unwavering dedication to the well-being of his people. He dreamed of exploring the vast world beyond the kingdom's borders, seeking knowledge, and offering aid to those in need. One day, as Ethan pondered his desire to venture beyond the kingdom, a majestic bird with shimmering feathers landed gracefully before him. The bird, named Aurora, possessed the magical abilities to fly throughout the world. Without hesitation, Ethan accompanied with the bird. It was a breathtaking sight that filled him with wonder and a renewed sense of purpose. As they traveled, Ethan and Aurora encountered different lands and diverse peoples. Ethan's compassionate heart led him to help those in need, whether it was healing the sick, bringing food to the hungry, or offering his counsel to those seeking guidance. The people he met were grateful for his kindness and wisdom, and news of the benevolent prince quickly spread across the realms. In his travels, Ethan discovered hidden knowledge and ancient wisdom. He learned about different cultures, traditions, and ways of life. With every encounter, his perspective broadened, and his understanding of the world deepened. One day, as he was traveling from a remote village, Ethan noticed the signs of distress. The village was plagued by drought, and the crops withered under the scorching sun. Determined to help, Ethan consulted with the village elders and devised a plan to build irrigation systems that would bring water to the parched fields. With the assistance of the villagers, they constructed channels and reservoirs, rejuvenating the land and ensuring a bountiful harvest. Word of Ethan's deeds reached his father, the king, who marveled at his son's selflessness and compassion. He recognized that Ethan's adventures had transformed him into a true leader, one who cared deeply for his people and possessed the wisdom to make a positive impact on the world. In his next journey, far away from his kingdom, he was passing through a sea with his friend and bird Aurora. On their way they met with a sea storm. Huge tidal waves rose up and shattered their boat. Somehow they mounted on a bigger wooden piece of boat and floating through the sea, they finally reached on an unknown island. They were wounded and tired badly. They slept on the sand. Next day when they opened their eyes they found themselves on a mysterious island. Trees, birds and animals were strange. They were amazed and flabbergasted. Soon they found themselves in warm water as they saw many giants approaching towards them. They got frightened. The giants captured them and put them in cage. Aurora flew away and started planning how to make their friends free. Aurora gathered information about the island and found Ethan's cell. From the back window he informed them about the information he just heard from a person. He told that this island was not the same as it seemed now. It was a land of peace and harmony ruled by a beautiful and kind-hearted princess. One day a strange man named Robert having mysterious powers came on the island and put a spell on the whole island. He captured the princess and forced her to be married with him. After listening the whole story Ethan decided to help the princess. Ethan and his friend silently dig up a tunnel and reached near the princess' room. From the back window he looked into the room and found a beautiful princess weeping by putting her head in her lap. At the first sight he fell in love with princess. Princess looked at Ethan and felt the same feeling for him. Princess told him the whole incident and asked him if he could stole and break the necklace of Robert, the spell could be broken. On that night Robert forgot to wear his necklace, he put it on the side table and slept. His room was at the top of lofty and climbable tower. Ethan hit upon an idea. He called his loyal friend Aurora sent him for this task. Fortune helped him. Aurora brought the necklace. He broke the necklace and the island got spell-free. All the giants disappeared, the powers of Robert vanished, he became a normal man. He captured him and put him in jail. After that the mysterious island went normal. The princess was also free now. Both get married and make island a happy place again. As the years passed, Ethan continued his journeys, spreading hope, kindness, and aid wherever he went. He became a symbol of unity, compassion, and the potential for greatness within every individual. The bird Aurora remained by his side, a loyal companion on their shared mission of bringing light to the world. And so, the prince who explored the whole world on the wings of a bird became a beacon of hope and inspiration. His legacy lived on, reminding all that the greatest adventures are often found in acts of kindness and service to others. May the spirit of Prince Ethan's journey inspire us to soar beyond our boundaries, to help those in need, and to embrace our capacity to make a positive difference in the world.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Also click the bell icon. Thank you.